Even kuphi ngodzalwa libhontshisi ngomfana lobhemi Crystal. So this guy I think is Nigerian ne from his accent. And then uyafika ke endlini yami uphethe wine vele siyanatha. Wafika around 10 so siyanatha, we are chilling, we watching TV. Then it's time for umbhebhana. Sihamba seCameroon obviously. Siyabhebhana. Angibhebha umfana. Okay, unelibhebhe likahle. Now paper first round yo I'm impressed into lo guy wavele nje wangishaya ngqo ebhontshisi nga enjoy. Fine. Second round akachami first round. Second round uyangibhebha ngiyam enjoya mina. Third round uyangibhebha ngiyam enjoya ngiyachama. Fourth round sola akachami. Hayibo wenja, what's going on? Ngicela ngiyambuta mina ngithi are you not enjoying me? Why are you not coming my guy? And then uyangitshela ukuthi it's the drugs that I'm taking. I'm taking Crystal and it makes me ukuthi ngingachami. Wangibhebha umfana. Wangibhebha bengicala guys ngohlisa umuntu ngithi endoda sengithini. Wangibhebha libhontshisi laba buhlungu angakhona ukusebenza 2 days. Bhontshisi libuhlungu. Angathi nakabhebha you unempepho loqinile ne like mina Nigerian vele empepho loqinile. So nakabhebha lo bhuti abe vele eyeliner lo mpipi naleli bhontshisi. So vele whatever move la kayenda ko libhontshisi lito feel something. At first ngicala enjoy ayibo ngaba ukuthi lo bhuti lo shothi ufuna ukungibulala lo. Ngicala enjoy ngigcina sengitheneka off. Kuthi why angibhebhe kanje? Kodwa bekumnanzi ecaleni but nase kubhlungu ibhontshisi chomi. Like sengidiva nalokuthi yabona ke manje so uyanginyanyisa ulathi wami uyanginyanyisa like straight uyanginyanyisa angisakhona ukumona angisakhona ukupretenda so yena angathi ngqoveni yakhe ukuthi bekacala ngani kube bekathi ufuna ukungienjoyisa too much but belokungienjoyisa kuse unginyanyisa because akachami and in my head I'm like njani angachami aka enjoy or angibhebha umfana ibhontshisi umthithi webhlungu sham 2 days wonke bengakhona nje kupenetratewa the way bobhlungu akhona lo mthithi bengakhona nje kupenetrate. Anyone bekangibhebha bengiva ukuthi yabona lana kubhlungu la. At least namhlu kahle nyalo ungcono ndokhona kusebenza. Ha guys ngiyabonga mina bafana babhemako. Angisabafuni nje. Special obhema ama drugs angisamfuni nje. Hayi. Wangilimata into emnandi nje ngekutshelwa ukuthi umnandi especially if umahosha. Guys mina ngiyadata ukuthi ngiyahosha ne but bathi ngimnandi. Akusho mine, kusho abafana mabangibhebha. Bathi nje ngitight. Bathi ngimnandi futhi. Angazi nami kanjani. Guys ngise-CBD ufuna ukuthenga ingoza ngicela wazi ukuthi ngise-CBD. A lot of you guys niyafika kuma messages abi ngama comments ningibuza ukuthi official tissue dayisela kuphi. Ngidayisela e-CBD. So uma kwenze kuse-CBD please make sure ukuthi you have my number. Uzokhona ukungifonela uthi official tissue la CBD ungakuphi. Uzofika la ngikhona khona ngizokudirect. Excuse me, ngizokudirect la ngikhona khona. Only if ufuna ukuthenga Jomi. If you don't like me, please block me. This is your time to block me. Mina ngizidayisela ngenquza, angihluphi umuntu, angiprovoke umuntu, angigebengi umuntu. Ngizidayisela inquza yami. So angazi if une problem ukuthi ngidayisa inquza yami ukuthi angikwenze njani. Yami lenquza ngidayisayo. So uma uyifuna ngisegoli uzongishayela ke Jomi, ngikubhebhise ube right. Just be warned uzokhesha ama feelings. Let me just warn you right now. Uzokhesha ama feelings Chomi because I give my best. Indaba yokuthi salichama salusuka kimi angiyenzi. I give.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. Nang guys indombatane lo trenda kulapha enkundleni yokuxhumana ngokuthi yena udayisa encuza. So uyasho nje ukuthi bafana lapha bhema eCrystal no more ngemva ukuthi one of them aqishe amtsimle phansi aqishe enze ambulale imfana luka busy angaqethi umfana. Uyasho nje ukuthi no more obafana lababhema eCrystal. Le ntombazane lena ithi khulumela mbala phethe inkundleni yokuxhumana ukuthi yena wenda muphi emsebenzi and she's proud. Akananzaba kanamahloni ngisho noma abantu bamdrega uthi yena kaqala umuntu endola tendela yona yena utendela imali ngencuza yakhe. Khona abantu labamthandzako for her honesty labasho ukuthi hayibo baningi abantu labayindako lento lena but bayafihla. But khona abantu labamjaja ukuthi hayibo noma ngabe yayinto into lefana nalena pho waya khulume mbaye ebantwini bathini batali ma siblings bomakhelwane akananzaba namuntu nje uthi nope akananzaba yena nje utendele imali ulaphana eCBD. So nema prize akhe nje uyawakhuluma kafihle lutho girl. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.